current time is 4:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
At 4 p.m. at the 4... The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Logan County in western Arkansas, northwestern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, northeastern Polk County in western Arkansas, eastern Scott County in western Arkansas, Yell County in central Arkansas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles northwest of Odin, or 15 miles northwest of Montana IDA, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Danville, Subiaco, Stonehouse Rec Area, Odin, Muddy Creek WMA Montana Magazine, Gravelly, Birch Valley, Cove Lake, UMTN Lake, Wing, Waveland, Waltriac, Union Hill, Sugar Grove, Spring Lake Campground, Sims, Rover. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday evening for Arkansas.
The current time is 4:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
At 4 p.m. at the Fort Smith Regional Airport,